Magandang hapon po ng August 17, 2026 Monday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng August 17, 2026 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral lumabasan para sa 5 p.m. draw ng 2D Lotto. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng August 17, 2026 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na mabasan para sa 5 p.m. draw ng 3D Lotto. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for August 17, 2026, Monday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Mega Lotto 645 for Monday, August 17, 2026. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Monday, August 17, 2026. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.